This is the mother of podcasts, embracing modern womanhood, motherhood, and parenting, raw and unfiltered. Enjoy. Subscribe to Mother of Podcasts on YouTube, Spotify, Amazon Music, and Apple Podcasts. Stay connected with us on Instagram and Facebook. Welcome back to those who were a part of the first conversation with Aarti, and welcome to those who have just been introduced to this. We are in conversation with Aarti Pandey, whose remarkable journey from a non-self-aware woman to a self-aware woman has been so amazing that we couldn't even continue. We couldn't stop the podcast in the stipulated amount of time. So probably you'll be seeing a longer podcast this week. Aarti, the topic we reached to at the end of the first podcast was hormones, PCOS, my own journey through PCOS and conceiving this little guy. What are hormones and why are they such a big topic in a woman's life? And why should they be such a big topic in a woman's life?
And before we dive into it, sorry to interrupt. I would like you to start, introduce us to your movement from, like, freedom from PCOS, your movement, your community that is there, and how it started. What was one thing that made you believe that you can, help women out there? So how it started, and then we can just move on to what is PCOS and what are the hormones that play a very important role in our bodies and we don't know.
Sure. Soumya, I wanted to say something.
Yeah, I wanted to say also, tell us, what is this community like? How many women have you reached so far? What is your reach exactly?
So my community's name is Freedom from PCOS. It is for the women, by the women, of the women. And the whole idea was, can we reverse any of a hormonal imbalance, which is PCOS or thyroid or diabetes or infertility or endometriosis or fibroids or chocolate cyst, complex cyst, simple cyst, all these scary names that are put on us as women. Can we reverse it naturally without any injections, without any medicines? And that is what this community is all about. On Facebook, I have a Only Women private group, which is more than 38,000 women. I do a lot of free sessions. There's a whole guide section. So I've given as much as is possible for a woman to do it free on her own. And then I have a program which women enroll because they need help, support of the community. On Insta, Freedom from PCOS is about 17,000 and my own account is about 22, hopefully reaching 23,000 very soon. All about women. And what inspired me is my own journey. And I would like you to watch the previous podcast to know about my journey. But the only thing I decided is what I went through my first pregnancy. And by applying these 5 pillars, how I had my second pregnancy, that was my inspiration, that what I went through, no other woman should go through. And that is how I quit my corporate job. And I said, this is what I want to dedicate it to. Initially, my family didn't understand. They thought me and my husband have lost it. Pagal ho gaye, अच्छा खासा पैसा कमा रहे थे, पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं. But I'll tell you something, the money is not a lot, but there are so many blessings every day. Me and my husband are in a very happy, content place. Our wants are very less, but our needs are fulfilled, and we are in a very happy space. I'm blessed every day. So that's what the journey is about. To answer your second question, what are hormones? So there's so much talk about hormonal imbalance. I want to explain this in a very, very simple term. Hormones are nothing but molecules of fats and proteins. And they act like messengers. So they tell, should Chanda cry now? Should Soumya be happy? Should you feel sleepy? Should you feel tired? Should you feel intimate? Should you not want anyone to touch you? Should you want to feel confident? Should you want to feel like life is over? Everything that you feel, act, everything depends on these hormones. And now our body is so amazing that it knows what to secrete when, right? But what impacts these hormones is not just what you eat, but when of the day you eat what kind of food. How do you move? How do you sleep? How do you breathe? What is your mental well-being condition? So when you take care of these aspects of your lifestyle, everything in the body knows what to do. And then life is honestly beautiful, and then nothing feels like a challenge. You're able to take care of it because internally you're able to control and see that your hormones are working in sync.
Okay.
So I really want to know here that how do you really assess and how do you really start helping the women uh, towards their journey of healthy lifestyle? So how does it really work? What is the procedure? Can you take us through that?
Sure. So, Chanda, I realize that we as women don't even go to the doctors until we want to get pregnant, or there is something which is really major, because हमको तो कितना भी pain दे दो हम सह लेंगे. We are Shakti, etc., right? And then if the acne are coming, we do some ghar ka nuska. If hair is falling, we blame the water of the city or our pregnancy. If we are overweight, we say, यार मैं stress eating कर रही हूँ. Stress तो modern lifestyle का part है. So we ignore. I realized, how can I create something with the help of my doctors and experts that at a click of a button, a woman can actually assess herself? So I created this 2 minutes free hormonal health assessment that I would like to, you can put it with the link, where you can just assess yourself. What are the symptoms in your body? And if your score is less than 5, fantastic. Your hormones are in sync. But if your score is more than 5, then your body is screaming for help, which we as women are ignoring because we are busy or we have too many people to take care of. So that's step one. Things like acne, they are not normal, though they are common. Hair fall, skin tags, hirsutism, which is facial hair, overweight, feeling fatigued just by 2 or 3 o'clock in the day. If you're not waking up looking forward to the day and you feel, yaar, ek aur din aa gaya, wahi life. If you don't feel like going out and meeting your friends, you're making excuses. If you have mood swings, and if you have, of course, irregular periods, but painful periods, all of these are signs that we ignore. Acne aate hain, हम dermat के पास चले जाते हैं, right? We start using these herbal oils or we start having these gummy bears. These are all superficially taking care of the symptom, not working on the root cause. And that is what hormones are. When your hormones are in sync, whatever is your age, you're not going to have hair fall, your skin is going to glow, you are going to be your ideal weight, you will have no mood swings. Is it possible? Yes. But you have to work on your hormones, not superficially work on the symptoms.
And is it as important for men to focus on it, or is it just like more of a woman thing?
I have dedicated my life to women. Of course, hormones are in men as well, and they also have hormonal imbalance. But I realize, Soumya, that men tend to know it all, or they don't want to listen it from a woman, at least. And when I work with women, and when they heal and they glow, men automatically ask, what are you doing? And they start doing it along with them. So my program is complimentary for the partners. And but I always tell the women, this is for you. You start and lead by example. So after 3 weeks, when they're glowing and they're happy, the husband says, "Tu kya pee rahi hai? Main bhi piyunga. Tu kya kha rahi hai? Main bhi change karta hu." And that's how the journey begins for the couples. But yes, it's as important for men. I have not taken that bida right now.
So did you enroll in any course for this, or it was purely research based?
I did my research and I was in wellness for over a decade now with my fitness journey, with my, I created Folk Fitness, which is a Limca Book of Records. So I had a whole journey, and of course I've done my ACSM. But I realize it's a medical condition. So I have gynecologist on the panel who is of the same thought that you can reverse it naturally. I have psychiatrist, I have psychologist. So I've got that panel in place. And of course, I have learned and developed this entire course with them. But I have the right experts on the panel with.
Degrees are overrated now. They're just a piece of paper in this day and age of information available in the fingertips. You can become like an MBA without having an MBA degree on your wall.
You will be amazed. My gynac says that they had only 4 hours of topic on nutrition. 4 hours only. She said,
doctors don't have it. Doctors don't study nutrition.
The 2 industries are thriving on us, on our bodies, which is food industry and drug industry. And the day we realize this, all apps will be deleted of Swiggy's and Zomato's. And we would know that life can be medicine free even at 80, 90, 100. Like
Yeah.
I'm going to live till 120 and I'm going to rock. That's my, I can die tomorrow in an accident. That's not in my hands. But am I going to be medicine free and live long is the vision I have. And that can be possible.
Yeah, true. They don't study nutrition. Doctors, I think in the second year or something, they have a chapter of nutrition. That's all.
Yes, that's all.
That's all the exposure that they have, because they are trained to treat the urgent diseases. They are trained to treat when the problem has gone beyond,
nutrition.
Just imagine a girl goes with thyroid or PCOS and they are told thyroxine lifelong khana hai.
Yeah.
And now the girl feels acha ye lifelong hai. She's not even thinking ki, oh, what is thyroid? How can I work on it? Can I reverse it? They don't think PCOS lifetime रहेगा, जल्दी शादी कर लो, जल्दी बच्चा कर लो. Hello?
I remember so after I had him, I went to my gynac and I asked her, what now? Like, what's up? What do I do to manage my PCOS? She's like, we don't, like, it's not a problem anymore. You have a child now. That's what I was told.
So the suffering of a woman is ignored. That's what I'm saying.
It's not important.
And it's not important because we don't feel we are important. And that has to change.
Yeah, true. ये जो question है ना कि is it reversible? Can it be handled naturally? But होता क्या है, popping a pill is easier than working on yourself.
Love it. But the side effects, Soumya, in the long run are so many. So I only get women who have suffered a lot, then only they come to me.
Yeah.
I hardly get women who are 4 months, 5 months diagnosed.
By the way, I'm enrolling for your program. So I'm just like letting you know.
You will see the transformation of a rock star internally, not externally, internally.
So do you also have plans for women who are like hurried, always hurried? They don't have time to cook for themselves. Like I know my mother-in-law, my mother, they wanted to eat something, but by the end of the day, they ate what was there for the kids or for the husband. हाँ, मतलब उन्होंने वही खाया. So
there is no woman who comes to me and tells me कि मेरे पास बहुत time है. Not a single soul. Everyone's busy, and I only get women who are working women. So my program is not here to add more stress in already stressed life. My program is to take away the stress. I don't put them on diet. I don't tell them to cook separately. I don't say you want fancy avocados and olive oils. Or you don't have to count your macros, micros, protein, carbs. Not possible, not sustainable. You have to eat basic ghar ka khana, roti, sabzi, dal, chawal, fruits, nuts. What's important is when are you eating it? Because your digestive fire is in sync with the sun. Even if you're eating the right food at the wrong time, you're damaging your hormones. Example, fruits. Fruits are amazing, everyone knows. But you eat the same fruit at night, it spikes your sugar, your hormones go out of whack, your insulin gets resistant, and you put on weight. So मैं तो रात में एक एप्पल खा लेती हूँ, बहुत अच्छा है. नहीं अच्छा है भाई आपके लिए. So we teach the when and the how of eating, Chanda. And when that person learns it, you don't have to cook fancy foods. I have to tell you this. I had a girl who enrolled for my program. She got great results. She enrolled her mother, who's 65. And of course, they don't have a goal of pregnancy or anything. She said, "अरे मुझे करना चाहिए क्या मेरे लिए? मेरी तो जिंदगी खत्म हो गई है." Soumya, she was on a sleeping machine. Because she sleep apnea. So she was on that machine and she would say कि really Aarti, can this ever go now? चल तू मेरी बेटी कर रही है इसलिए मैं कर रही हूँ, but ये होने नहीं वाला है. And I'll show you a video. She's glowing. She's opening her and she's saying, I am off machine. She's off machine. And she was told, ये अब lifelong रहेगा जब तक आप जियोगे. Imagine putting a machine to sleep. So anything in the body can be healed once you heal your hormones. Anything.
And I think hormones also have to do a lot with your mental health, right? Because I remember when my PCOS was like at peak, when I had like this chin hair coming out and when I had my period cycle for 65 days, I remember feeling very anxious. I remember my heart rate at 110 most of the day. Okay.
and I remember feeling very edgy all the day. So I think it has a lot to do with how you are feeling internally.
Absolutely. Now, what happens is you're either working on your food, or you're working on your exercise, or you're taking counseling. It's a and function. So if you see in our program, the 5 pillars are eat right, move more, breathe in awareness, sleep better. We work on sleeping. We provide audio tracks to actually activate your parasympathetic nervous system. It's extremely important, and mind free. Everyone tells us to be mindful. Nobody's telling to free your mind. The anxiety, the overthinking, the stress that we carry. Overthinking करती है बंद कर दे. I wish it was that easy.
कैसे yeah कैसे
तू
Give
तो
me a
यार
12-step
पुरानी बातें लेके
program.
बैठती है. तू पुरानी बातें लेके बैठती है. तुम 4 बार ये बात सुन नहीं पा रहे हो. वो उसके साथ जी रही है. And it's not that the partners don't want to help, Soumya. You will be amazed on day one we invite the husbands. None of the husbands says that I want her to get pregnant. I want her periods. They all say one thing. बस इसका थोड़ा स्ट्रेस चला जाए. बस मुझे मेरी पुरानी वाइफ मिल जाए. वो जो हंसती थी. All men want that. But they are not able to help, and it's unfair on us to. आप समझते नहीं हो मुझे. आप तो they नहीं समझते यार. तुम खुद तो पहले अपने आप को समझो. Stop blaming your
Therapy session है ये therapy session है चन्ना. I think we should pay Aarti. For this session we should transfer her some money, because you know what, yesterday I had like an argument with my husband where I said, you don't look at me enough. Like, we are staying in the same house, in the same room.
Okay,
And I
pause.
feel like,
Pause. Do
Yeah.
you look at yourself enough?
exactly. So
Do you?
So that's the question. I
Then
need to
don't
ask
ask
myself.
him. Don't ask him. It's unfair on him. The day you start looking at yourself, one, you wouldn't want anyone else to look. Two, he will start looking at you.
Yeah.
And this is the unfair pressure on husbands that we put. We don't want to work on ourselves and we say, aap mujhe samjho. Wrong, na? What? And it's true. He will not understand what you're going through. He is not conceived. He's not delivered. You need to go to someone who understands you and work on yourself so the relationship doesn't get hampered.
True.
He's as confused as the wife. He is. He's struggling to be a part. Understand, he's not conceived. He needs to be suddenly a father. But his life has not changed. Imagine the guilt he's carrying कि यार मैं तो ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ, मेरा सब कुछ ठीक है, ये ऐसे कर रही है. वो अपने ही गिल्ट में है क्योंकि हमने इतना सारा थोप दिया है. अनफेयर है ये. Because we don't want to work on ourselves. Rather than that, let him live. Work on yourself. Be so amazing yourself that you work on this relationship. Give your better part to this relationship. I'd say this to all the women. And I always tell that when you dress up and your husband doesn't compliment you, you're like, आपने तो मुझे compliment ही नहीं दिया. आपने अपने आप को compliment दिया. It's so easy to stand in front of the mirror say, यार और 4 बाल चले गए, shit एक और एक्ने आ गया, मैं तो और मोटी हो गई हूँ, मैं तो कितनी गंदी दिखने लग गई हूँ, यार मैं तो 50 की लगने लग गई हूँ. We are so critical about ourselves. But when I dress up, you compliment me.
How does that work?
Why would he?
Right. Wow.
Nanda is like,
I'm just sinking all of it in and trying to, be be aware.
Chanda, we're enrolling.
Yes.
We're enrolling. So that's happening. You've got two customers today, 2 clients.
2 clients
I've
to
got
work with.
I've got 2
Friends.
powerful women who will explore their potential so that the whole mother of podcasts is going to, because
Glow.
women like us work on ourselves. What we do, we have a voice, we have gone through shit, we worked on ourselves, so we can compare that shit and say, hey, I have been in that rut.
Don't fall that. Yeah.
This is what I'm doing. This is what I am doing, and this is what you both are doing in a way. And it's so amazing because you have a baby in your hand. This is the right time, Soumya. Because what I've gone through for years, you don't have to. And your listeners don't have to.
Absolutely. So, the program is called Freedom from PCOS, but it largely takes care of your overall hormonal health, right?
Yes. Anything you have which is to do with why did I call it freedom from PCOS? Is because I had to niche it down and say, what is that one thing I'm working on?
Yeah.
And if I would have said hormonal imbalance, it's too vague and it's not something which is still popular to our ears,
Yeah.
right?
People can't connect.
Can't connect. So that's why freedom from PCOS. But I work with women who are struggling with infertility, who have fibroids or endometriosis, and they can reverse it without surgeries, thyroid, diabetes, or PCOS, anything to do with your hormones.
Okay.
So I want to know, like, all this starts when a girl is a teenager. Is there something that a mother or that girl can do to prevent all of it? This because PCOS or PCOD, you talk to any teenager girl out there, like I would say five
One
Like
out of
3 and 5 are having
PCOD or
PCOS
PCOS.
issue.
So what can they
It
do?
starts, Chanda, it first starts the mother is healthy or not, because the daughter is going to look up to the mother.
Yeah.
Correct. Because when you start giving gyan to your daughter without being healthy, she's like, "Aap apna to dekho." That's a fact. Aajkal ki teenager daughters are like that. But what are the symptoms to notice? Because we need to understand where all hormonal imbalance can happen. Let's take it from there. First, at teenage, 10th standard, 12th standard, lot of stress. You suddenly stop your physical activities. You're doing night outs because you want to study. So you're pulling all nighters. You're eating junk. Nobody's stopping you because stress hai bechari ko padhai karni. All of that is you're making your body ready for hormonal imbalance. Second, if you're going for a job or you're going for studies abroad or outside the city, second, susceptible because change of environment, lot of stress, there you go. Another chance where you can have hormonal imbalance. You get married. Now the eating patterns are different, the food habits are different. Suddenly your mother-in-law is a huge stress on you. Everything changes in your body, hormonal imbalance chances, and then pregnancy, and then other things. What you can do is notice symptoms. If she has physical shifts like a lot of acne or hair fall or weight gain, don't say tu acha nahi kha rahi, tu so nahi rahi. Understand her, talk to her. And if she's shutting the door, she's getting very angry, she's getting into a cocoon, don't dissuade that. Don't taunt her. Hold her hand, sit with her, ask what's happening. Because our parents' parenting was very different. चाय पी ले डिप्रेशन चला है डिप्रेशन क्या होता है उनको वर्ड भी नहीं पता था इट्स नॉट द सेम नाउ बट फॉर दैट चंदा द मदर हैज टू बी अवेयर
Yeah.
That's why I work with women. And when I work with them, I'm unknowingly healing the house. When the woman of the house is healthy, majali nahi hai ki koi disorder ghar mein ghus sakta hai. So when a teenager's mother is healthy and she's self-aware and she's working on herself, she's going to pass these beautiful things to her daughter. So a lot of mothers join for their daughters. I have a lot of teenage. I had a girl who was 12. And you talk, she was struggling. Even in this December batch, you'll meet some of the young girls because you both are joining it. Your heart will go out and you will also feel that, wow, she's taking care of herself at 12. Never in life will she face. Just imagine if hormones was a topic in school. No girl will struggle the way we did. So that's if you ask me, what's your ultimate goal? I want hormones chapter in schools where girls learn about the importance of it more than career building and more than, anything else.
Because everything will fall into place once you're in connect with yourself.
Everything will fall in place.
So, like to, not to summarize, but to like put it in a line, I feel like balancing yourself, balancing your hormones is like coming in alignment with your inner self so that you don't project your own insecurities, your own issues onto your partner or your family. I think this has a lot to do with not just health, but also relationships.
I always say when your hormones are balanced, like I said, life is beautiful. Why is it beautiful? Because when your hormones are balanced, first, you are pain-free, you're not in any suffering. Yeah. You start admiring the beauty of life, which passes on to your partner, to your child.
Yeah.
I was such a irritable mother to my first one. I would always be irritated with her. I have given it to her, but I was not with my second. I was such a irritable partner. I don't know how my husband has not thrown me out of the house. Right? But I was like, आप मुझे नहीं समझते, आप तो अपना golf खेल रहे हो, you don't care. अरे he cares. But do you care? I never cared about myself. I was in that victim zone. The minute I took charge, my relationship is flourishing with everyone around me.
Yeah.
Whether it's mother-in-law, whether it's your husband, whether it's your teenage daughter, whether it's your son who's growing, or your friends, then nothing can shake you because you know what you're inside. नहीं तो बात छोटी सी बात बुरी लग जाती है सौम्या. And then for days we are in them. मुझे ये बोला कैसे? That's another thing we go through.
मुझे कैसे बोला, मेरे पेरेंट्स को कैसे बोला,
अरे
ये
बोला
कैसे
है
किया.
क्या? Are they? If I say, Chanda, this blue color on you na, hair color is just not suiting you, Chanda. Chanda is not going to get affected because her hair is not blue. But we get affected because we like, मुझे कैसे बोला? I've been there. But it doesn't help anyone.
Yeah, true, absolutely. So, give us some parting thoughts. You've dropped pearls of wisdoms like bombs throughout these two podcasts.
Before the parting thoughts, I
Yeah.
want to talk about one case that stayed with you till, like, you have worked with so many women. I want you to share one case that stayed with you. You know, that actually made you believe that you're doing something really good for the women. One or two.
Wow. Thank you. So, like I said, my heart goes out to every woman who comes because they've gone through a lot. But I'll tell you, like you gave me the chance to speak about two, they are very similar. Both Hindi speaking, both from a very small town. And why am I sharing this is, Chanda and Soumya, the power we hold as women, that no language, no technology barrier, they both homemakers. Okay? And पल्लू रख रहे हैं सर पे. एक केस में उसने 3 दिन खाना नहीं खाया, खूब घर पे झगड़ा किया कि मुझे ये प्रोग्राम करना है. पति ने बोला 24,000 रुपए ऑनलाइन फ्रॉड होते हैं, पैसे चले गए तो. शी सेड मेरा गट कह रहा है कि ये दीदी फ्रॉड नहीं है, मैं रोज चेक कर रही हूँ 2 महीने से, मुझे ये प्रोग्राम करना. उसने खाना पीना छोड़ दिया. And she did the program and she just today shared a 1-year birthday pictures. That's why I remember Supriya. And the second case, again a homemaker. She hid from the family and she sold her bangle. When I got to know, I did what I had to, but she sold her bangle to get the money for this program because she didn't want to go through the pain of injections and side effects. और वो छत पे जाके सेशंस अटेंड करती है. She cried and she said, आपने मेरी लाइफ बदल गई है क्योंकि मेरे अंदर के जितने प्रॉब्लम्स थे वो रिपोर्ट्स में जा रहे हैं. मेरा सिस्ट गायब हो रहा है, मेरा मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, बट मैं खुश हूं अब और वो खुशी मैं घर पे दे पा रही हूँ. और उसका पल्लू गिरते जा रहा है पर वो बोल रही है, वो रो रही है, वो हंस रही है. When I see this, I feel so blessed. Because when you're a healthy person, now you're a healthy mother, you give a lot to the child. The traumas that we had as children because our parents have not worked on themselves. My parting thought is heal yourself so that your children don't have to heal with your traumas. Work on yourself for yourself. Because it's a beautiful life we are given. I am blessed. I am very happy doing what I'm doing. And I live by what I say. I just do that.
We can see that glow on your face, Aarti. We can see that chirpiness in all of your videos and your reels and everywhere. Amazing.
I am in love with myself. So my favorite quote is मैं मेरी favorite हूँ. I really mean, मैं खुद ही selfie लेती हूँ, मैं खुद ही अपने आप को wow बोलती हूँ because I feel it. I'm not doing it for her. I genuinely feel like clicking myself and I'm dressing up and just showing up. And every girl in my program has become like, they are doing beauty pageants and God knows what all they are doing because when you start working on yourself, you start wanting to explore, learn,
More, yeah.
do so much which is limitless. Life is limitless.
Well,
Okay, sorry, too much. I spoke too
Really,
much.
really beautiful.
yeah.
I mean,
It's
the
been a
way you-
moving conversation, Chan.
yes.
Yeah, it's been a moving conversation. True.
I'm
Absolutely.
still trying to sink all of it in, and
Yeah. Same here.
because I have never seen Soumya so quiet. I am the quieter one, but I have never seen Soumya so quiet, like taking everything that you said. So
That's the biggest compliment I am taking from you. Because I know Chanda saw my reels and then probably she told
Yeah. Because as she introduced you to me. So,
like the
I
Karwa
mean,
Chauth
I'm moved.
reel, it really struck a
Okay.
chord with me because, you know, somewhere between modern women and traditional women, matlab, you are just torn between the two.
Yeah.
मैं पति के पांव छूती हूँ और मुझे सच में रिस्पेक्ट है बट मैं उनके लिए खाना नहीं बनाती हूँ या मैं सो दिस इज फेमिनिज्म एक अलग पूरा है वी विल नॉट
maybe
गो
we
Another
can-
topic. We would love to explore other topics with you, Aarti.
I'm loving talking to you all. I am in whenever, wherever, whatever you all
Yeah,
tell.
we'd love to explore more topics and all. You know, I also have like in mind creating like a course or something. We'd love to have you on a panel or something like that. We'll discuss this. Thank you so much for joining us for this podcast. And the link to the assessment for your hormonal health will be available with this podcast. If you're watching this on Instagram, you can DM us for the assessment. And if you're watching it on YouTube, you can comment. We'll send it to you wherever. Thank you so much for joining us, Aarti. I think it'll take us some time to sink in all of the pearls that you've dropped to us and to our listeners. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, girls. Lovely.
Thank you.
talking to
Thank you so much.
If you're listening to this, you've reached the end of this podcast. We'd love to know if we added any value to your life through our content. Wherever you're listening to this, please leave us a feedback. Tell us what you liked, tell us what you disliked, and tell us what else would you like us to talk about.